Hey everyone, if you've ever thought, I wish my AI could actually finish work for me, not just give me suggestions, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm diving into Flowith, the world's first infinite AI agent called Neo. And trust me, this one goes beyond anything you've seen. Flowith Agent Neo is not your average AI assistant. It's autonomous 24/7 and runs in the cloud. That means you can assign a task and Neo keeps working even if your device is off. The link is available in the description below. Getting started is this simple. Just turn on agent mode, choose whether to use your knowledge base, adjust the output length, upload any files or images if needed, then enter your prompt and start. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Flowith Neo works, using real prompts, full walkthroughs, inside the visual canvas, and the step-by-step breakdowns of how Neo builds and delivers results autonomously. Let's begin with a practical business scenario, building a full website for a local yoga studio. Here's the prompt I gave. Create a website for a local yoga studio, including an about page, class schedule, blog section, and visual branding with logo and banner images. Inside the Flowith canvas, Neo started by structuring the project into clear tasks. It defined the brand tone, outlined the main website pages like home, about, schedule, and blog, planned the content flow, and even prepared visual assets and SEO metadata. From there, Neo's internal agents handled everything. The copywriter drafted the web content in a calming, wellness-focused voice. The designer created a custom logo and banner to match the studio's vibe. And the developer assembled the layout and site structure. It even auto-filled blog placeholders and built a clean class schedule interface. The final output was a complete, beautifully styled website, ready to launch without writing a single line of code or hiring a designer. This kind of project shows exactly how Flowith Neo can deliver full digital solutions for small businesses in record time. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the prompt bar. This is where you give Agent Neo your instructions, but you can also switch modes between regular chat, online search, image or video enhancement, and comparisons. This unlocks advanced options like generating both images and videos. For example, I want to create a short promo video for my yoga website. I select Kling 2.1 as the model, choose text to video, and enter a simple prompt. In less than a minute, Neo delivers a fully generated yoga video. Beautiful, professional, and ready to use. How cool is that? Next, I asked Neo to track AI industry trends and deliver a quick weekly update. Here's the prompt. Monitor AI industry trends weekly using reliable sources and summarize key changes in a 3-minute read. Include charts where relevant. Neo began by scanning news sites, blogs, and academic sources, identifying key metrics like funding rounds, model launches, and regulatory shifts. Using autonomous browsing, it gathered the latest data, summarized highlights into digestible points, and generated charts tracking VC activity and model performance. The result was a clean, time-stamped report, fully formatted and ready to share. Perfect for startup founders, analysts, or newsletter writers who want to stay informed without doing the research themselves. With Flowith, you're not limited to typing prompts. You can upload documents like PDFs, Word files, and it will read, understand, and build from them. Whether it's a research report, business white paper, or ebook, it can turn it into course material, summaries, lesson plans, quizzes, or even full presentations, all with one prompt, where we uploaded a digital marketing guide and asked Neo to convert this uploaded PDF into a 5-lesson beginner course with summaries, quizzes, and speaker notes for each lesson. Neo read the full document, broke it into 5 logical lessons, wrote summaries, created quizzes, added speaker notes for each slide, compiled everything into a shareable format automatically. You can also start or monitor projects from the Flowith iOS app with full canvas access, real-time progress updates, the ability to approve, modify, or inject new instructions mid-task. Whether you're in bed, on a flight, or in a meeting, you're still in control. Here's where Flowith Neo stands out. You see Neo's plan before it acts. Adjust anything. You can train your own experts using your files, PDFs, or notes. Neo adjusts mid-task, clarifies goals, and continues working while you're offline. It generates presentations, 3D models, videos, audio, blog posts, all from a single prompt. This isn't a chat window, it's an AI workspace. Whether you're launching a business, doing research, or creating content, Flowith Neo is the AI partner you've been looking for. Try it now using my link below and use the code YouTech34 for 15% off any plan. Thanks for watching.